Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video we will show you how to fix the failed to authenticate error on the Phantom wallet in just a few simple steps. So let's get started. A weak or unstable internet connection is one of the most common causes of this issue. If you are on mobile data, try switching to Wi-Fi, and if you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. Once switched, relaunch the app and see if the issue is resolved or not. An outdated version of the app could be causing authentication issues. Open the Google Play Store or App Store, then search for Phantom Wallet and tap onto this website. Or on your phone, then you have to, if you're on your phone, then you have to tap onto that app. You can see the logo, this logo Phantom. You just have to tap onto this. Then if an update is available, tap update. Once the update is complete, reopen the app and check. And if you're on PC, you can add Phantom Wallet to your Chrome extension by just simply tapping on download. And here you can see a multiple browser. Choose the browser you are using. As example, I'm right now using Chrome, so I'm just gonna tap onto Chrome, and then here you will see an option called download for Chrome. As I already have added Phantom to my Chrome, it is showing that remove from Chrome. But if you don't have downloaded it, it will show to you that download for Chrome. Just tap onto that and then for download it. So now you have to clear app cache if you are still facing some problems. Sometimes old or corrupted cache files can interfere with authentication, so this is how to clear it. You have to long press the Phantom Wallet app icon on your phone if you're using iOS or Android, then tap the eye icon or app info, select storage and cache, and then tap on clear cache. Do not select clear data or clear storage to avoid losing wallet info. Then you have to restart your phone and open the app again. And if you're using PC, restart your PC. So that's it. We hope this helped you get back into your Phantom Wallet. If it worked for you, give us a like, subscribe and comment below if you have questions or other topics you want us to cover. So you can just comment down. That's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.